In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Audacity. So let's get started. Just Google Audacity and we'll be having the official link audacityteam.org. Here we are having download for Windows. Click it, and if you scroll down, here we are having multiple options to download. One is Audacity installer, and we are having 64-bit installer, and another one is 64-bit zip file. I'm going with 64-bit installer, so just click here and the download will be getting started. The setup file, it is just around 17 MB in size, so just be patient for a while. Once it is done, just open it, and it will ask you to select the language to use during installation. If you want to change, you can change it and click on OK. And here just select next, and this is going to be the default location where Audacity will be installed. If you want to change it, click browse. I am fine with this. Select next, and this is fine. Desktop shortcut, select next and install. Once it is done, you'll be having this desktop shortcut, and make sure that you're checking launch Audacity and click on finish. And that's it. Just select accept and continue, and we'll be having some demos. If you want to watch, you can watch it, and I'll just click on this don't show this at startup and select OK. If you want to see some tutorials or something, you can just see the stuff. Yeah, just click on OK, and that's it. You can just import your audio file and use it. Do check the playlist of my channel. Learn a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.